In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a fleet vehicle in Odoo. To get started, open your Odoo website and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, go to the page that shows all available Odoo applications. This is where you can access the different modules installed in your database. Next, scroll down until you reach the Human Resources section. In that area, click on Fleet. As soon as you open it, Odoo will take you to the Vehicles dashboard, where you can view and manage the vehicles already in the system. From here, click New in the upper left corner to create a new vehicle record. Odoo will open a blank vehicle form. This form is where you'll enter the main details for the vehicle, so it's a good idea to fill it out carefully to keep your fleet records organized and accurate. Begin with the model field and select the correct vehicle model. If the model you need is not already listed, simply type it in and choose Create or Create and Edit to add it to Odoo. This is useful when you're entering a vehicle that hasn't been used in the system before. After that, enter the vehicle's license plate number in the license plate field. Make sure it matches the actual registration information, since this is often one of the quickest ways to identify a vehicle later. Then move to the tags field. Here, you can select an existing tag or create a new one. Tags can help you categorize vehicles in a practical way, such as by type, department, or usage. Next, in the driver field, choose the employee assigned to the vehicle. This connects the vehicle to the right person and helps maintain clear internal records. In the last odometer field, enter the vehicle's current odometer reading. Be sure to select the correct unit of measurement, either kilometers or miles. Using the right unit is important for accurate tracking and future maintenance planning. Now select the Fleet Manager, which is the person responsible for overseeing the vehicle. Then, in the location field, enter where the vehicle is normally kept. For example, you can enter Main Garage. This can make it easier for your team to know where the vehicle is usually stored or parked. Before you finish, take a moment to review all the information you've entered, including the model, license plate, tags, driver, odometer reading, fleet manager, and location. A quick review helps prevent mistakes and ensures the vehicle record is complete. Once everything looks correct, the fleet vehicle is now configured in Odoo and can be managed from the Vehicles dashboard. Thanks for watching.